Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
Alright, y'all, like I promised, we back out here with it. Got my wife's phone with the sticks. Got the bird. Let's try to take off with it.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night.
Oh no, this is crazy. Right in the tree, y'all. I don't know what's wrong. Don't be killed. Please, don't be killed. Come on out, birdie, don't get killed. Ah, I done killed the thing, y'all. This is ridiculous. Well, it glided down. That's a good sign. I'm out here mangling this thing. Flying a lot better with the sticks, more precise. Just like I thought. Check it out. Get away from the barbed wires. I think I got the tail up a little high. That's why it's flying so slow. But it looks awesome though, y'all. Check it out. Very controllable, y'all. Very, very controllable. Feel like we're going down now though. I got throttle all the way up. Let's try to land it. Oh, we're coming back up a little. Yeah, this thing is awesome, y'all. Let me try to bring it over here and catch it. Okay, so this thing is flying a whole lot better with the sticks and less wind. So I did 2 clicks down on the tail. Okay, so it's flying a little faster now. And higher too. I guess we got a little breeze. It's going against that way. Go from over the top of that ledge over there. Oh wow, so you can glide this thing and still steer it while it's gliding. You can steer it with the tail. Check it out, gliding. Glide it. Yeah, this thing is awesome, y'all. I like this thing. Get away from the gate. Glide it. Now I want to see what happens when I put the tail all the way down, how fast this thing will fly. Bring it back around here. Landed it. Let me see. Alright, the tail is flat down as far as it can go. Check his goggles out, y'all. Let's try to take off with it. Whoa, it's going down though. Yeah, really no up. I guess it can't be all the way down unless you take off throwing the thing up in the air. Let's try that, because it just went straight down. Let's try that. Throw this guy up. Nope, it still goes down. And it hops a little when it lands. Those front feet kind of springy for it, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna put the tail up one click. See what it does. One click on the tail. Let's see. Oh, it stopped on me. I know it's not going to take off. I'm not even going to try to take off. Tail is down too low. And I think the battery might be getting a little low. Okay, so it's in the air. Yeah, it loses a lot of altitude on the turn though, with the tail down like this. Yeah, I think you need the tail up. Let's see if we can take off from right there. It's trying. Yeah, just not any lift being generated from that tail being down too low. Let's click it up one more. Okay. One more click. I think that might be the sweet spot right there, y'all. Three clicks from its lowest position is the sweet spot, y'all. Oh, the battery died on me. So I'm gonna swap out the battery. I got 2 batteries in this kit. Kind of delicate feeling changing this battery. Let me see, you pull this little latch down and that releases it. Okay, the battery goes in with the gold side up. Gold side up. Slide the battery in if I can. And that little spring catches on that little groove there. It's supposed to anyway. There we go. And you click this little piece up right there. And we should be ready to go. Let's see if we're still connected. Yep, and we took off from the ground, y'all. Told y'all I think that's the sweet spot right there. It wants to go up too. Losing track of this little guy. Let's try to glide it. Oh. Afraid of those barbed wires over there, y'all. It's starting to go to the side a little. I think that's the accelerometer in this thing. Maybe a little off. I had a bird following me. Get away from the roof. Yeah, it's flying nice, y'all. I noticed if you turn too quick, it tends to dive. You have to turn it subtly, light on the turn, to try not to dive. When you go all the way full stick, it dives like that. And you can see that tail in the back doing its adjustments to try to keep this thing flying straight. I love it, y'all. The X-Fly from Bionic Bird. An ornithopter with a gyro and an accelerometer. I don't know which one. Ah, and there we are. Almost killed it. Awesome little ornithopter. Thanks for watching.